Have you ever used Zelle to send money to a friend or family member and then realized you made a mistake? Or maybe you sent money to the wrong person. If so, you're not alone. Many people have used Zelle to send money and then realize they need to get their money back. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a great way to pay for things like dinner, rent, or a gift. However, if you make a mistake, it can be frustrating to get your money back. How long does a Zelle refund take? The amount of time it takes to get a Zelle refund varies depending on the situation. In most cases, it takes 1 to 3 business days for the refund to be processed. However, in some cases, it can take up to 5 business days. Here are some factors that can affect the amount of time it takes to get a Zelle refund. The reason for the refund: if you are requesting a refund because you made a mistake, such as sending money to the wrong person or account, the refund will typically be processed more quickly. The status of the recipient's account: if the recipient's account is closed or inactive, it may take longer to get your refund. The bank you use: some banks process Zelle refunds more quickly than others. Tips for getting your Zelle refund faster. Contact Zelle support. If you are concerned about the status of your refund, you can contact Zelle support for help. Check your bank account. Once your refund has been processed, it will be deposited into your bank account. Be sure to check your account regularly to see if the refund has been credited. Be patient. It can take some time to get a Zelle refund, so be patient. In addition to the above tips, here are some other things to keep in mind when requesting a Zelle refund. You must request a refund within 30 days of the original transaction. You can only request a refund for transactions that were made to or from a personal account. You cannot request a refund for transactions that were made to or from a business account. You will need to provide the Zelle transaction ID and the reason for your request. Getting a Zelle refund can be a bit of a hassle, but it is possible. By following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that your refund is processed as quickly as possible. If you have any questions about how to get a Zelle refund, please leave a comment below. We would be happy to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.